Have you ever wondered how to use the preposition in, on, and at? I will tell you how by using the preposition of time and preposition of place. We're gonna do first the intro. But let me tell you something. If your language doesn't use preposition, that is the hardest part for us, like me, to use the preposition. But I will make it easy for you to understand. To start off, we would like to talk about the preposition of time. We will start using the word in. When we're gonna use the word in, we will use it on months, years, centuries, and long period of time. Why? Because you are not sure when it is. Example, my birthday is in December. Remember, December has 31 days. So you are not sure which date is that. I will give you 2 examples of sentences for you to understand it more clearly. In 1995, Fool's Garden sang the song Lemon Tree. Why in 1995? Because there are 12 months in 1995 and you are not sure which month in 1995 Fool's Garden sang that song. Here's another example. In summertime, I will visit my grandparents. Again, why in summertime? Because it's a long period of time when it comes to summertime and you're not sure which day in summertime. Now, let's talk about on. When you use the word on, you will use it on a days and dates. Like what I told you before, my birthday is in December. Now let's use on. My birthday is on December 12. Why? Because it is sure. Now, I will give you again 2 more examples. Okay, here's the first example. On Sunday, I will visit you. On Sunday is an exact day. You are very sure that on Sunday, someone will visit you. The next one is, look at this, on Christmas Day. Why on Christmas Day? Because Christmas Day is a day which is the 25th of December. So the best example for that is, on Christmas Day, I will go to London. Now, the last one for this lesson of preposition of time is at. When we're gonna use the word at, it is used in a precise time. What is precise? It means exact time. What is the best example? at 2 o'clock, at 5 o'clock, at dinner time. I will give you 2 examples using at. I will go to school at 10:30 a.m. Why at 10:30 a.m.? Because I always go to school exactly at 10:30 a.m. Next example is at 3 o'clock, I will take a bath. Another one, because exactly at 3 o'clock, I am taking a bath. Those are the preposition of time of in, at, and on. Don't forget once again to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Wait for the preposition of place, still using in, on, and at. You are all amazing. Thank you for watching.